Hey guys, and welcome to another quick informative video. So today I want to make this quick video, kind of test to see if the Moto G6 Play by Boost Mobile or sold by Boost Mobile, the Boost Mobile variant has turbocharging or quick charging. So these are this video basically comes news because of I was watching Aloha Android's video, and he actually made a video about this, and I got kind of interested of the subject just because I'm about to make a review of this. So let's go ahead and test it out, guys. So here we go. I have the original power brick that comes with the phone. As you can see, there's the Motorola logo right there. So let's go ahead and plug in a cable. So I'm gonna use, for the experiment, I'm gonna use the same cable but change bricks, and we'll see what happens from there. So plug this mammoth of a brick in there, unlock the phone, and then let's see what it does. So micro. Alright, so it shows it's charging. So as you can see, this is regular charging for the phone. Now let's see what happens when we put a quick charge adapter to it. So this is my Samsung Galaxy S9, so adaptive fast charging. Let's see what happens when we do that. So as you can see, here we go, here's a Samsung one. And then let me show you what it'll do. Let it charge. Look at that turbo power. What is that? Turbo power connected. Guys, this is turbo charging now. That is crazy. So this phone does have turbo charging. It's just, I don't know why they decided not to send it out with it, with the phone. You know, you're not going to get a Samsung quick charge adapter unless, you know, you have, either you buy one at a store or you have a Galaxy S9 or S8 or 7. Those phones that come already with it. Yes, I understand this is a budget device, but at least it should come with a quick charge or the turbo charge if the phone can handle it. So it makes quite a bit of difference when it comes to battery life and charging, all that stuff, guys. So yeah, Dragonicwarfare sign off. I want to give a shout out to Aloha Android or AOTito for basically making a video of this. So thanks, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, check out the description below.
Hey, mama, I made it. Your boy is almost famous. Thanks for the support, and I appreciate the patience. I